Welcome to Apayao Province, a hidden gem in Cordillera Administrative regions of the Philippines. Known for its breathtaking landscape, rich indigenous culture, and deep connections of traditional Apayao, is a destination that stays true to its roots.
One of Apayao's most cherished traditional dishes is pinalatan, a humble yet flavorful meat dish. Pinalatan is typically made with pork or chicken simmered in a rich blend of native spices and coconut milk. What sets it apart is the use of palat, a local souring agent from indigenous fruit, giving it a tangy and savory taste. Pinalatan is not just a meal. It's a reflection of the Isneg people's connection to their land and resources. Every ingredient is locally sourced, and every bite tells a story of heritage, patience, and community.
Heto na ang tinaguriang Apayao iconic dish, ang pinalatan. Dahil sa crispiness at ang anghang nito, talagang napakasarap ito gawing pulutan habang umiinom ng bugnay huhayin ng corner. Isang maligayang araw sa ating mga ama dyan. Kung nag-enjoy sa videong ito, paki-share at follow na din sa
If you're looking to experience authentic flavors and untouched cultural traditions, Apayao is calling you. Try pinalatan in local households, join a community feast, or during town fiestas. Let your taste buds lead you into the heart of Cordillera. Come and explore Apayao, where every dish is a journey and every journey is unforgettable. Discover Pinalatan and discover the soul of the region.